So I have two videos coming up. I have how to fix a balding frontal, which is this right here, and I have how I colored this hair. So make sure that you're subscribed, please, and thank you. Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. So I know that my hair is not styled yet, and that is because we've run into a dilemma, right? I went to wear my hair in the center part, but we got a little bit of a problem going on right here. So I'm just going to fix that. So how to fix a balding frontal part 2. In case the first one wasn't clear enough for you guys, I will be talking you guys step by step through this one. So the first thing, of course, you're going to need is the wig. You could do this on your head, you could do this off of your head. I do it on my head personally because when I do, no long talk, we're just going to jump right into it. So you guys, this is what you'll need: the hair that you will be using to place on the bald spot. You're going to need a brush to blend out that concealer that we'll be placing on our part, a comb, some nail glue. Kiss. Some of you guys asked what glue it is. This is it right here. Take a good look. Now I'm going to take the back of this comb and I'm going to as precise as I can, try and go straight down the middle. Again, you want it to be directly in the middle, as close as you can get. Next, you're going to take your concealer of choice. I use LA Girls Pro Conceal in color Chestnut, and I'm just going to apply it directly down the middle. Again, this is just to as a guideline as where the middle part is at, towards the back of the bald spot. So we're going to place that directly in the middle, and we're going to do it all the way back, even past that bald spot. Yes, ma'am. So you guys, after that is finished, you're going to look for your brush, you're going to pick it up. There you go. Take any fluffy brush, honestly. You could actually use your finger too. And you're just going to buff that out, just so that it's not so harsh. So we're just going to brush that out. So we know the hair goes there. That's where the hair is going to go. I am using a very old track, so I'm going to just brush through this so that we could get all those little kinks and knots right out. Alright, now this is where the action begins. You're going to take that track, take a piece of that track that you're going to cut out, separate it, get it together, take your scissors, you're going to cut, snip, snip. Remember this, you guys all know. This is the hair that you're going to glue on. Okay, so there's actually no hair there, but I don't know, this kind of helps the process. You're going to go as close to the part as you can and separate whatever hair is there and just pull it over to the side so that later on you can just pull it right on over. Yes, Naya, we see it. We see it. Now we're going to take that piece of hair. Yes, we're going to take that nail glue and we're going to apply the smallest amount. Honestly, I just wanted to show you guys this uncut because it is super hard for the glue to come out. I struggled, I really did. But you just want to make sure that glue is on it. As long as glue is on the hair, you'll be fine. You do not need to squeeze the whole bottle on. See how much I have there? Little to no amount. And you just want to place it, let it sit, press it against, and let it air dry and fall down. Again, you guys, we're going to do the same thing we did before. You're going to take your track. You're going to separate the hair that you want to cut. You're going to get your scissors. You're going to boom, snip, snip. Same thing as before. Same exact thing as before. You're going to take that piece of hair. You're going to reach for your glue. You're going to get your glue. You're going to put the glue on the hair. Again, the lightest amount you can. The lightest amount. So I just decided to leave this clip in to show you guys what happens when you have too much hair and too little glue. Sometimes it's not enough glue on the hair and this happens, all you have to do is take what didn't stick and do the same exact process. So you're going to take your glue again, put it on the hair, and then put it on the frontal. Again, you guys, same exact thing as before. Separate the hair that you want to glue on. Get your scissors. Boom, snip, snip. You guys already know the drill. You're going to take your glue. You're going to put the smallest bit amount. The smallest. You're going to place it on the frontal once again. And then you're good to go. When it was time to finally flip that sparse piece of hair over, I wasn't really satisfied with how it looked. So I ended up going back in and filling in whatever parts I felt like were still too bald for me. The only thing that's changing is the size of the hair that I chose to do. I just started going in with smaller pieces of hair so that it wouldn't look too boxy. So this is how it should look when the glue part is over, but it still looks too fake for me. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara and an eyebrow brush, and I'm just gonna go over those pieces of glue again because mascara is gonna dry matte and it's not gonna look so shiny. So I'm just gonna go in with that. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to go around the parts now, only because it looks too far away and I don't know, so I'm just gonna go in and darken up that part, make it look a bit slimmer and not too spaced out. Right now I'm just going in and seeing if there's anything else that I feel like I need to do, and I feel like this looks good. Like, what do you guys think? I'm actually in awe. Look at me admiring myself. So after I'm done in the mirror, I'm going to go style my hair, come back and show you guys the finished product. So you guys, this is actually the finished look, and I'm super proud of how it came out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment them down below. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.